Hello friends and welcome. Today's topic is singular and plural nouns. So, as we all know, a noun names a place, a thing, an idea, or a person. So, singular only means one thing and plural means more than one. Plural nouns mean more than one thing, one person, one place, or one thing. In the case of singular nouns, it can be a window, a pencil, a dog, a hat, a car, an apple. But for the plural form, be very careful, my friend. For the plural form of most nouns, you must add s to the end of the word. So for instance, we can say windows, pencils, books, hats, cars, and apples. But be careful in here. You must add es, in this case, in apples. For some plural nouns, there are different endings to the word. Nouns that end with ch, x, or s, you must add es to make the word plural. So for example, we can say box, boxes, watch, watches, dress, dresses. And another case, nouns ending in f or phi. In this case, you must change f to b to make the word plural. For example, shelf, shelves, leaf, leaves, life, lives, wife, wives. And some nouns have different plural forms. Man, men, woman, women, mouse, mice, goose, geese, child, children. Nouns ending in vowels like y or o, pay attention, do not have definite rules. For example, potato, potatoes, baby, babies, toy, toys, kidney, kidneys, stereo, stereos. A few nouns have the exact singular and plural forms. Some examples would be sheep, sheep, deer, deer. So let's go with the exercises. She has a baby, or b babies. Of course, it is babies. There is a mouse, b mice in the house. Which one is the correct one? Yeah, a mouse. The cat has 9 life, b lives. Yeah, it's lives. I need a watch, or b watches. Yeah, watch. Now select the correct sentence. He is carrying several a box, b boxes, c box. Yeah, several means a lot. So boxes. Please hand me a towel, b towels, or c towelless. Yeah, please hand me a towel. So this would be all, my friends. I hope you really enjoyed the video and that you really learned something. I would be so happy if you could subscribe and give me a like, please. I know this is not a really good content, but I'm doing my best to share the good knowledge. So, see you around.